The sub function block. In this lesson, we will be discussing the subtract function block. The student is expected to learn how the subtract function block works. The logic flow is from left to right, which will start with the input, the logic solve, and then the output. Looking at the function block narrative, output is the difference of in01 value and in02 value. Now we go live with our PLC and simulate the inputs, and we observe the output and confirm with the function block narrative. Simulate in01 and in02 values and observe the result. To recap, output is the difference of in01 value and in02 value.